Alright, hello there.
General Kenobi.
And welcome back to VLOGGE HARRY. Today we're going to wash the bike today, yes we are. Because this bike is a little bit dirty, so I'm gonna take you to the tour where I'm gonna wash my bike. It's roughly about 20 minutes from here. I went for a bike ride last Thursday it was, which is now 2 days ago. And we were riding across some lakes and some water, and that whole area was infested by mosquitoes. And not just a little bit, a lot. I will now insert a picture of my helmet when we came back right now. Today, another side note, is that the temperature is soaringly hot. And I really do mean soaringly hot. My bike has been running out for 2 minutes and it's already up to temperature, but it's really hot today. It's now it's well, I don't have a thermometer on board of this motorcycle, but it's now approximately 30 degrees Celsius, 30, and it's only past noon. Just past noon. Just to give you an idea how hot it is right now. And the hottest temperature will be measured around 3 o'clock in the afternoon. And they say it's going to be 35 in the shades, not into the sun, into the shadows, in the darkness. 35 degrees, my ass. I'm not going on my walls. I'm not going on top of a bike when it's 35 degrees Celsius. It is too hot to handle. That's what I'm riding, but my eyes are open at the moment because I need that cold air. That's also probably how MotoGP riders feel when they're in Malaysia. Alright, I can hear myself more clearly now. When the rain is gone. Oh, there is one obstacle in my way, which is stopping. Thank you for stopping your motor vehicle. Please, sir, move. I'm hot. I need to cool down a little bit. Because holy fuck balls. This is not how I imagined a hot summer. Hi there, children. How are you? Yes, children. Yes. Alright, I need to get past this BMW as fast as I can, because it's messing up my mood quite a bit. It's quite hot today. It's going to be 35 degrees, so I'm not wearing my usually racing gloves, so I'm now wearing only my shortened gloves, like my motocross gloves. I don't even have a motocross bike anymore, but hey, who gives a shite? With speed bumps, more or less. Ugh, speed bumps, I fucking hate them. Hello there, cow. Hello there, moo. Now you go left here, and then you go right, and right after that corner there's a speed bump. Whoop. You get completely surprised by that sleeping policeman, as people would say in England. But after this corner, there is no speed bump, which makes absolutely no bumps. Oh, my balls.
Kick you in the nuts!
Right, up the mountain, running up the hills, and go down to the hills. I've started to watch Stranger Things. There's a show on Netflix, and I finished the first 3 seasons in 2 weeks. The song I hear for a couple of weeks on end. Running up that hill from Kate Bush is now literally stuck into my head. I really hate their song. It is the song of Stranger Things Season 4. And it really annoys me now that I have to listen to the... Don't go left over there, that's a nice road. Bloody hell. So I was pretty annoyed when I actually hear the song. I know it's a song from the 80s, and it's a pretty good, damn good song. But I really, no, I don't like it anymore. Oh my god, get off the middle of the fucking road, you son of a bitch. Well, that's a song I really hate, so I'm actually looking forward to, because I am a metalhead myself. The season finale, which actually has been spoiled a million times by now, so I know what to expect. Yet the little dude is going to play the guitar, playing Master of Puppets on top of a building or top of a hill thingy, and he's gonna play the song on guitar, and yeah, he's gonna summon the monsters and yada yada, and he's probably had to sacrifice himself because he's a disposable hero. No pun intended, Metallica pun intended. So I know it's gonna happen.
Vaccine.
Oh, and also that monster, the Velcro. What's his name? Velcro tape. Why would you name something after something that's sticky? Or it's just stuck in your head by now? Oh my god, this is so bumpy. Fuck me an asshole. Thank you. There's something called the dream world, of which they haven't discovered yet. The other world they have, the upside down world, but now they're up to a different kind of a villain, of which they do not have the answer for yet. That's how far I am. I've only been as far as that Maxine has an issue with stress and headaches, and that other guy has been crackled into a pretzel. Waiting for it. Hello there, sir. Behind me, I know. Well, actually, I need to go ride a bike. Oh, and I also need some fuel. Something I forgot. This road's now open. This has been closed for, I don't know, half a year? The renovation, what they have renovated, starts exactly here. Here. This part is new. This whole intersection and all the cycling parts and the asphalt and the stripes and the bushes and the amazing view on the left of me you just saw is all new. So, and it stops right at the beginning of the roundabout. That's where it stops. It took them half a year to renovate that thing. In December, they're going to do everything again, but the other half that we first drove past. That whole road, that whole section of road, they did it in parts. So they did it 50-50. So the next winter until the summer is going to be that other part that still needs to be renovated. Ah, why is my bike so fucking hot? Oh wait, yeah, it's an Aprilia. I know why. Yes, the heat that comes off this engine is amazing. Really doing amazingly hot. Not amazingly good, but it's amazingly hot. I know I'm not wearing the right trousers or pants, and I like to fool myself around the tank here. The thing is, all the heat comes underneath the tank and through the side girders. Yes, so my whole right leg is cooking. Oh, please don't everything be occupied. Thank fucking God. Alright. Let's see. Put it back into it. Oh, there was neutral. And pretty neutral. And well, thank you for enjoying the view. This has been Harry, so I wish you all farewell. Bye-bye.